Ngayon, marami ang naiintriga kung meron bang namamagitan kina Vic Soto at Pauline Luna. Si Pauline, meron na nga bang aaminin? Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
We're good. We've always had a good relationship naman.
Hindi pa rin tahasan ang pag-amin ni Pauline Luna tungkol sa estado ng relasyon nila ni Vic Soto. Mula nang machismis si Pauline kay Bossing, naging tikom na ang bibig ng dalawa. Pero sa story conference ng Daddy Dearest kahapon, na corner si Pauling ng GMA News at hindi maiwasang maitanong ang matagal lang nababalitang relasyon nila ni Bossing.
Even before all the chismis and when I was starting in Bulaga, we've had a good relationship and it's good. Oh, it's very happy.
It shows.
Thank you. Thank you. My heart is in a happy place.
Natanong din si Pauline tungkol sa umano'y mga tweets ng mga anak ni Bossing na tila hindi raw sila boto kay Pauline.
I respect everybody's opinion, but for me, as long as I know that I'm not doing anything wrong, as long as I'm not stepping on anybody's toes, and as long as I know that I am not hurting anybody intentionally, I'm good.
Sa ngayon, ang gusto munang pagtuunan ni Pauline ay ang pagbabalik niya sa pag-aarte. Makakasama ni Pauline si Ogie Alcacid sa family drama series na Daddy Dearest.
It's very interesting kasi I play a fairy at lahat ng fairy, mukha ko. So I play different roles na fairy.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.